Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a chart from data, using only shortcut keys in Excel 365. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial, as a PDF, by following the link in the video description below. Here, we have some data, that we would like to create a chart from. To select this data, use your arrow keys to move the active cell to the first cell of your data. Next, press and hold the Shift key, and use the arrow keys to highlight all of your data. This next step can differ between desktop keyboards, laptop keyboards, and the age of the system that you are using. For some desktop keyboards, you will need to press and hold the Alt key, and then press the F1 key. For all other keyboards, you will need to press and hold both the Alt key and the Fn key, and then press the F1 key. This will create a chart from your selected data. You can use the chart design tools at the top of the worksheet to make changes to your chart. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.